Hello everyone. Here we are going to see some important previous year questions and answers from state eligibility first commerce. Okay, let's see. Question number one. A set of 8 bits is one dash A megabyte, B gigabyte, B byte, D kilobyte. Okay. The answer for this question is option C, byte. Question number two. A program written using binary code is known as machine language, high level language, oriented language, query language. Option A, machine language is the answer. Recording of purchase transaction of business involves option A, decision supporting system, transaction processing system, option C, executive supporting system, option D, human resource information system. Correct answer is option B, transaction processing system. Fourth question, the system that are concerned with a theoretical structure which may or may not have any counterpart of real world. Option A, conceptual. Option B, empirical. Option C, manufactured. Option D, adaptive. Correct answer for this question, option A, conceptual. Question number five. A computer which recognize both continuous and discrete form of data is digital computer, analog computer, hybrid computer, microcomputer. Correct answer for this question, option C, hybrid computer. Question number six. Which of the following is not an advantage of DBMS? DBMS is database management system. Okay. Option A, integrity. Option B, decentralization. Option C, sharing of data. Option D, enforcement of standards. Correct answer for this question, option B, decentralization. Next question. Imputed cost is sunk cost, notional cost, discretionary cost, differential cost. Correct answer for this question is notional cost. Question number 8. Which of the following is not part of conversion cost? Option A, direct expenses. Option B, direct labor. Option C, direct material. Option D, factory overhead. Correct answer for this question, option C, direct material. Ninth question. Under which method of pricing material issues closing stock approximate the latest market price? A. FIFO method. B. LIFO method. C. HIFO method. D. Simple average method. Correct answer for this question. Option A. FIFO method. 10th question. Which of the following material control technique follow Pareto's principle? Option A. VED. Option B. GIT. Option C. FSN. Option D. ABC. Correct answer for this question, option B, ABC. Next question. What percent of wage for time saved is received as bonus by a worker under Halsey plan? Option A, 33.33. Option B, 50 percentage. Option C, 66 percentage. Option D, 90 percentage. Correct answer for this question, option B, 50 percentage. Next question. Which of the following industry is most suitable for unit costing? Option A, sugar. Option B, refining petroleum. Option B, biscuit manufacturing. Option D, hotel business. Correct answer for this question, option A, sugar. Next question. If inventory holding cost 5 paise per month, annual requirement is 12,000 units, and production setup cost per setup is 162. What will be the economic batch quantity? Okay, option A 1200, option B 1500, option C 1800, option D 2400. Correct answer for this question, option C 1800. Next question. The percentage of completion of a contract is 28. Then what portion of notional profit can be transferred to costing profit and loss account? Costing profit and loss account. Option A 2 by 3, option B 1 by 3, option C 1 by 4, option D nil. Correct answer for this question, option B 1 by 3. Next question. Process costing, scrap value equivalent of abnormal gain unit is option A credit to representative process account, option B debit to representative process account, option C credit to normal loss account, option D debit to normal loss account. Correct answer for this question, option C debit to normal loss account. Next question. Interest on capital appearing in cost book will option A increase financial profit, option B reduce financial profit, option A increase costing profit, option D reduce costing profit. Correct answer for this question, option D reduce costing profit. Next question. If a particular overhead amount rupees 60,000 at a 4,000 unit level of production and 40,000 at a 2,000 unit level of production, what will be the overhead expenditure when 6,000 units are produced in the factory? Option A 1,20,000, option B 70,000, option C 80,000, option D 1 lakh. Correct answer for this question, option C 80,000. Question given standard quantity of material required for producing 1 unit 10 kg, standard price per unit 24 per kg against a total actual material cost of rupees 2,50,000. If actual production is 1000 unit, what is the material cost variance? Okay, option A 5,000 favorable, option B 5,000 adverse, option C 10,000 favorable, option D 10,000 adverse. Okay, correct answer for this question, option D 10,000 adverse. Next question. In a cash flow statement, interest on debenture payable by a manufacturing company is shown under cash flow on account of investment activities, cash flow on account of financing activities, cash flow on account of operating activities, fund from operations. Correct answer for this question, option B, cash flow on account of financing activities. Next question. A company is reporting its current ratio 2.2 and liquid ratio 1.2 times. If its current liability is 10 lakh, what is the value of its stock? Option A 8 lakh, option B 10 lakh, option C 12 lakh, option D 14 lakh. Correct answer for this question, option B 10 lakh. 21st question. Market price of share of a company rupees 30 per share. The firm had paid dividend rupees 2 per share last year. The management is of the view that the dividend can grow consistent rate 8 per annum. What will be the cost of equity of the company? Option A 14.20%, Option B 15.20%. Option C 16.20%. Option D 17.20%. Correct answer for this question. Option B 15.20%. Next question. At the internal rate of return of discount, net present value of project will be option A equal to 1, option B more than 1, option C less than 1, option D 0. Correct answer for this question, option D 0. Next question. Increasing sales without a corresponding increase in working capital is known as option A extended operating cycle, option B over trading, option D over capitalization, option D under capitalization. The answer for this question, option B over trading. Okay, next question. The technique of using debt capital to augment the return of equity shareholders is called option A financial leverage, option B operating leverage, option C trading on equity, option D both A and C but not B. Correct answer for this question, option D both A and C but not B. Both A and C. Okay, not B. 25th question. Risk and time value of money is taken care of by which one of the following maximization strategies? Option A value, option B wealth, option C profit, option D market share. Correct answer for this question, option B wealth. Next question, 26th question. What will be the operating leverage if units sold are 20,000, variable cost per unit is rupees 20, selling price per unit is rupees 30, and fixed cost is rupees 1 lakh. Option A 3, option B 4, option C 2, option D 5. Correct answer for this question, option C 2. Next question. A firm exposed to higher level of gearing assumes interest rate risk, B financial risk, C currency risk, D business risk. Correct answer for this question, option B financial risk. Next question. Non-profit making investment requirement should be funded using debt alone, B equity alone, C preference share alone, D retained earnings. Correct answer for this question, option D retained earnings. Next question. The process of finding out the present value of future sum of money is called option A compounding, option B discounting, option C compound growth, option D none of these. Correct answer for this, option B discounting. For a project having initial investment rupees 2 lakh and the annual cash flow for first 4 years as 80,000, 1 lakh, 60,000 and 90,000. Payback period is option A 2.33 years, option B 2.66 years, option C 2.50 years, option D 3 years. Correct answer for this question, option A 2.33 years. Next question. Under which leasing format lessor undertake to finance only part of the money required to purchase the asset? Option A finance lease, option B leveraged lease, option C sale and leaseback lease, option D operating lease. Correct answer for this question, option B leveraged lease. Next question. Statement of change in working capital is prepared in conjunction with which amount of the following? Statement of change in working capital is prepared in conjunction with which among the following? Option A, cash flow statement. Option B, fund flow statement. Option C, profit and loss account. Option D, bill of lading. Correct answer for this question. Option B, fund flow statement. Next question. High bad debt to sales ratio indicates. Option A, high sales. Option B, speedy recovery. Option C, collection efficiency. Option D, poor credit validation. Correct answer for this question. Option D, poor credit evaluation. Next question. Which one of the following is not a function of performed by a factory? Option A, discounting of bill. Option B, customer ledger management. Option C, collection effort. Option D, financing of receivables. Correct answer for this question. Option A, discounting of bill. Next question. If annual demand is rupees 2500 unit, EOQ economic order quantity is 500 unit and reorder period is 8 to 12 days. How many orders of the firm needed to place in order to reduce the ordering cost? Option A 9, option B 8, option C 6, option D 5. Correct answer for this question, option D 5. Next question. If deduct the total fixed asset from long-term liabilities, what will be the outcome? Option A, gross working capital. Option B, net working capital. Option C, total current asset. Option D, total current liabilities. The answer for this question, option B, net working capital. Next question. Which one of the following concept behind charging of depreciation on fixed asset in profit and loss account? Okay. Option A, business entry. Option A, business entity. Option B, materiality. Option C, accounting period. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer for this question, option C, accounting period. Next question. AS 20 deals with earning per share, impairment of asset, intangible asset, accounting for fixed asset. Correct answer for this question, option A, earning per share. Sundry debtors account is example of option A, nominal account, option B, personal account, option C, real account, option D, fictitious account. Correct answer for this question, option B, personal account. Next question. As per transfer to general reserve rule, if a company wants to declare a dividend of 25%, what is the minimum percentage of current year profit that is to be transferred to general reserve? Option A 2.50%, option B 5%, option C 7.50%, option D 10%. Correct answer for this question, option D 10%. Next question. Which of the following is not the contingent liability? Option A, called up capital on partially paid investment. Option B, claim against the company pending before court of law. Option C, tax claim pending in appeal. Option D, arrears of dividend on cumulative preference shares. Correct answer for this question, option A, called up capital on partially paid investment. Next question. Donation received by a non-profit making organization for construction of a building is an example of option A, income, option B, expenditure, option C, capital receipt, Option B, option D, revenue receipt. Correct answer for this question. Option C, capital receipt. Next question. If you deduct opening balance of creditors from the sum of closing creditors and the cash paid to creditors, you get option A, net purchase, option B, cash purchase, option C, credit purchase, option D, gross purchase. Correct answer for this question, option C, credit purchase. Next question, option D, sale creditor. Next question, which account under stock and debtors system help to ascertaining the profit made by the branch? Option A, branch adjustment account. Option B, branch stock account. Option C, branch debtors account. Option D, branch expense account. Correct answer for this question, option A, branch adjustment account. Next question, X and Y were sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2. If Z is admitted into the firm 1/4 of share, what is the sacrificing ratio of X and Y? Option A, 2:3. Option B, 3:2. Option C, 9:4. Option D, 6:9. The answer for this question, option B, 3:2. Next question, if intrinsic value of an equity share is less than its market value, which of the following is most reasonable conclusion? Option A, share has a low level of risk. Option B, share offering high dividend payout ratio. Option C, the market is undervaluing of the share. Option D, the market is overvaluing the share. Correct answer for this question, option D, market is overvaluing the share. Next question, balance available in capital redemption account is finally debited to general reserve account, credited to general reserve account, debited to capital reserve account, credited to capital reserve account. Correct answer for this question, option D, credited to capital reserve account. Next question, a company having 10,000 equity shares outstanding has reported an average annual profit after interest and tax at last 3 years at 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 respectively. If shareholders expecting return 7%, what will be the value of equity shares? Option A, 40. Option B, 50. Option C, 100. Option D, 120. Correct answer for this question, option A, 40. Next question, to which account is the cost of goods sold on hire purchase transferred? Option A, sales account. Option B, purchase account. Option C, hire purchase trading account. Option D, none of this. Correct answer for this question, option B, purchase account. Next question, if X interest quotes for 12% debenture on October 2012 rupees 105, face value of the debenture 100, and due date of interest fall on 13th June and 31st December, what is the price of a buyer need to pay for above debenture? Option A, 102, option B, 105, option C, 108, option D, 97. Correct answer for this question, option C, 108. Next question, which of the following is not the ground for members voluntary winding up? Members voluntary winding up. Option A, occurrence of Occurrence of an event mentioned in the company's articles of association. Option B, by a special resolution passed in general body meeting. Option C, director filing to declare the solvency of the company. Option D, expiry of fixed period of duration as mentioned in the articles. Correct answer for this question. Option C, directors filing to declare solvency of the company. Next question, which of the following statement does not relate to realization account prepared by a partnership firm? Option A, it deals with all asset and outsiders liability. Option B, profit or loss distributed to all partners. Option C, prepared at the time of admission. Option C, expenses associated with the disposal of asset is debited in this account. Correct answer for this question, option C, prepared at the time of admission. Next question, when preference shares are redeemed out of profit of the company, an amount equal to the nominal value of such shares needed to be transferred to option A, share capital account, option B, capital redemption reserve account, option C, capital reserve account, option D, security premium account. Correct answer for this question, option B, capital redemption reserve account. Next question. If one want to register an industrial undertaking in India, which enactment is to be referred to? Option A, Factories Act. Option B, Indian Registration Act. Option C, Companies Act. Option D, Industrial Act, Development and Regulation. Correct answer for this question, option D, Industrial Act, Development and Regulations. Next question. Special drawing right is related to option A, Reserve Bank of India, option B, Commercial Bank of India, option C, IMF, option D, Cooperative Bank. Correct answer for this question, option C, IMF. Next question. For the protection of Nilambur Teak Museum, the government is planning to get option A, trademark, option B, copyright, option C, geographical indication, option D, trade name. Correct answer for this question, option C, geographical indication. Next question. Trading, which one of the following exchange was suspended by SEBI during 2013? Option A, NSE, option B, BSE, option C, NSEL, option D, NSDL. Correct answer for this question, option C, NSEL. Next question. Scanning the internal environment will facilitate an enterprise to identify option A, threat and opportunities, option B, opportunities and strength, option D, weakness and strength, threat, option D, strength and weakness. Correct answer for this question, option D, strength and weakness. Next question. Sixth question. Who is the current governor of RBI? So answer for this question is that Sanjay Malhotra. He is 26th governor of RBI. Question. Passing of Companies Bill 2012 is related to option A, legal environment, option B, political environment, option C, technological environment, option D, cultural environment. Correct answer for this question, option A, legal environment. Next question. Movement of capital across national frontiers in a manner that grant the investors control over acquired assets is option A, foreign institutional investment day, option B, global repository receipt, option C, foreign direct investment day, option D, American depository receipt. Correct answer for this question, option C, foreign direct investment. Next question. Which one of the following is not a tool of monetary policy? Option A, CRR. Option B, subsidy. Option C, open market operation. Option D, repo rate. Correct answer for this question. Option B, subsidy. Next question. Pick the right order in the life cycle of an industry from the given below. Option A, expansion, pioneering, stagnation, declining. Option B, expansion, stagnation, pioneering, declining. Option C, pioneering, expansion, stagnation, declining. Option D, pioneering, stagnation, expansion, declining. Correct answer for this question. Option C, pioneering, expansion, stagnation, declining. Okay. Next question. An item included in the following category is freely importable into India. Option A, restricted list. Option B, negative list. Option C, open general license. Option D, scheduled list. Correct answer for this question. Option C, open general license. Next question. The term World Bank refers to which two institutions? Option A, IBRD and IMF. Option B, IBRD and IDA. Option C, IBRD and WTO. Option D, IMF and IDA. Correct answer for this question. Option B, IBRD and IDA. Next question. Vedanta in Odisha state was recently in the news due to environmental protection. Option B, corporate fraud. Option C, corporate failure. Option D, tax evasion. Correct answer for this question. Option A, environmental protection. Next question. Current account transaction in India are option A, non-convertible. Option B, partially convertible. Option C, fully convertible. Option D, partially non-convertible. Correct answer for this question. Option C, fully convertible. Next question. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Exim Bank promotes in India export through wide variety of lending programs. Statement 2. Exim Bank was established to provide assistance in raising capital in international market. Okay. Option A. Both 1 and 2 statement are correct. Option B. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is false. Option C. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is false. Option D. Both statements are false. Correct answer for this question. Option B. Statement 1 is correct. 2 is false. Next question. Pick out the odd one of the following. IDBI, SEBI, RBI, IRDA. Correct answer for this question. Option A, IDBI. Next question. Removing the trade barriers in force within a country for facilitating international trade, known by the name. Option A, privatization. Option B, liberalization. Option C, modernization. Option D, globalization. The answer for this question, option D, globalization. Next question. An economy which is fully controlled or regulated in all aspects by the state interventions is known as option A, market-driven economy. Option B, capitalist economy. Option C, socialist economy. Option D, mixed economy. Correct answer for this question, option C, socialist economy. Next question. Term spirit should be promoted to develop a culture of unity in the organization. Which management principle is underlying in this statement? Option A, unity of control. Option B, expedited groups. Option C, unity of command. Option D, equity. Correct answer for this question, option B, spirited groups. Next question. Next question. Assumptions an organization will be making while framing its plan is known as option A, premises, option B, policies, option C, programs, option D, rules. Correct answer for this question, option A, premises. Next question. Which one of the following function is not generally performed by a line manager? Option A, operational decision making. Option B, delegating authority. Option C, providing expert advice. Option D, exercising veto power. Correct answer for this question, option C, providing expert advice. Next question. What theory of motivation was propounded by? Option A, Ochi. Option B, Herzberg. Option C, Maslow. Option D, McGregor. Correct answer for this question, option A, Ochi. William Ochi. Okay. Next question. The technique of delegating routine matter at lower level and paying attention to critical matter at top level. Okay. Delegating routine matter at a lower level and paying attention to critical matter at the top level. Option A, management by participation. Option B, management by exemption. Option C, management by institution. Option D, management by trial and error. Correct answer for this question, option B, management by exemption. Next question. Next question. Putting oneself in another man's shoes while negotiating conflict in popularly known as sympathy. Option B, harmony. Option C, empathy. Option D, mentoring. Correct answer for this question, option C, empathy. Next question. Pick the correct order from the given choices. Option A, recruitment, selection, placement, induction. Option B, selection, recruitment, placement, induction. Option C, recruitment, selection, induction, placement. Option D, recruitment, placement, selection, induction. Correct answer for this question, option A, recruitment, selection, placement, induction. Next question. Next question. The leadership style of treating followers as members of family, guiding and protecting them. Option A, charismatic leadership. Option B, paternalistic leadership. Option C, laissez-faire leadership. Option D, democratic leadership. Correct answer for this question, option B, paternalistic leadership. Next question. Which one of the following is not an organizational barrier in communication? Option A, poor retention. Option B, status. Option C, hierarchy. Option D, rules. Correct answer for this question, option A, poor retention. Next question. Next question. Where conflict arises due to competition for resources, task independence, jurisdictional ambiguity, and status struggle is option A, organizational conflict. Option B, intra-individual conflict. Option C, inter-group conflict. Option D, interpersonal conflict. Correct answer for this question, option C, intergroup conflict. Next question. Vestibule training is imparted in which environment? Option A, work site. Option B, classroom. Option C, training center. Option D, virtual. Correct answer for this question, option A, work site. Next question. Next question. The benefit associated with this synergy in group dynamic can be reaped by option A, departmentalization. Option B, merger. Option C, demerger. Option D, decentralization. Correct answer for this question, Option B, merger. Next question. Next question. Which one of the following is not a characteristic feature of a standard normal distribution? Option A, mean is equal to 0. Option B, standard deviation is equal to 0. Option C, the area under a normal curve has a probability density function equal to 1. Option D, asymmetrical about its mean. Correct answer for this question. Option D, asymmetrical about its mean. Next question. Name the technique used to explain or predict the dependent variable on the basis of two or more independent variables. Option A, factor analysis. Option B, Z-test. Option C, analysis of variance. Option D, student t-test. Correct answer for this question. Option C, analysis of variance. Next question. Name the sampling technique which ensure representation of various homogeneous subgroups drawn from heterogeneous population. Option A, cluster random sampling. Option B, judgmental sampling. Option C, stratified random sampling. Option D, quota sampling. Correct answer for this question. Option D, quota sampling. Next question. Next question. Testing the efficacy of an advertisement is an example of which type of research? Option A, applied research. Option B, poor research. Option C, basic research. Option D, historical research. Correct answer for this question. Option A, applied research. Next question. By data integrity, one can ensure. Option A, data simplicity. Option B, data privacy. Option C, data security. Option D, data validity. Correct answer for this question. Option D, data validity. Next question. Give the proper sequence from the following activities which undertaking a research. Option A, defining the problem, setting hypothesis, standing objectives, prescribing methodology. Option D, defining the problem, stating objectives, setting a hypothesis, prescribing the methodology. Option C, stating objective, defining the problem, setting hypothesis, prescribing methodology. Option D, stating objective, defining the problem, prescribing methodology, setting hypothesis. Correct answer for this question. Option B, defining the problem, stating objective, setting hypothesis, prescribing the methodology. Next question. A persistent tendency for result of a sample to deviate in one direction from the true value of its population parameter is known as option A, random sampling error. Option B, respondent error. Option C, sample bias. Option D, non-response error. Correct answer for this question. Option C, sample bias. Next question. In a table, the labels given for row are called option A, caption. Option B, subheading. Option C, stub. Option D, side heading. Correct answer for this question, option C, stub. Next question. A subjective judgment by an expert as to appropriateness of measurement is known as option A, constructive validity. Option B, content validity. Option C, predictive validity. Option D, concurrent validity. Correct answer for this question, option B, content validity. Next question. Next question. A higher ratio of variance between group to variance within group suggests that the result option A are statistically significant, option B are statistically insignificant, option C are either significant or insignificant, option D none of these. Correct answer for this question, option A are statistically significant. Next question. Next question. verify the validity of the following statement. Statement 1. Type 1 error is an error caused by rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. Statement 2. Type 2 error caused by failure to rejecting null hypothesis when the alternative hypothesis is false. Option A, both statements are correct. Option B, one correct and statement 2 is wrong. Option C, both statements are false. Option D, statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is correct. Correct answer for this question, option B, statement 1 is correct and 2 is wrong. Next, a measurement technique that involves presenting the respondent with a true object and asking the respondent to pick the preferred object is option A, sorting, option B, filtering, option C, paired comparison, option D, ranking. Correct answer for this question, option C, paired comparison. Next question. Which one of the following is not an argument against a corporate social responsibility? Option A, absence of standard guidelines on totally accepted responsibility. Option B, danger of dominance of business values. Option C, conflict of cost and benefit. Option C, self-regulation reduce government's intervention. Correct answer for this question, option D, self-regulation reduce government's intervention. Next, which one of the following is a weakness to be considered in drafting a strategic advantage profile? Option A, aged plant and machinery. Option B, decentralized and delegated staff. Option C, high-tech management and information system. Option D, young and motivated people. Correct answer for this question, option A, aged plant and machinery. Next question. Which one of the following is not an attribute of core competence? Option A, core competence is base for all product. Option B, core competence makes the success. Option C, core competence can be copied. Option D, core competence is a bundle of skills and technology. Correct answer for this question, option C, core competence can be copied. Next question. Pick one reason from the following list which does not support a retrenchment strategy. Option A, poor performance. Option B, threat to survival. Option C, redeployment of resource. Option D, surplus resource. Correct answer for this question, option D, surplus resources. Next question. The unification of different kind of business under one flagship company is known by the name. Option A, conglomerate merger. Option B, circular merger. Option C, horizontal merger. Option D, vertical merger. Correct answer for this question, option A, conglomerate merger. Next, in a BCG model portfolio analysis, an enterprise experience high growth rate and market share domination is known by the name. Option A, cash cow. Option B, dog. Option C, star. Option D, question mark. Correct answer for this question, option C, star. Next question. A continuous and stepwise improvement in existing technology, process, and equipments without making huge investment is known as Okayoke, Kaizen, Six Sigma, just in time. Correct answer for this question, option B, Kaizen. Next question. Which one of the following is not the future of learning organization? Option A, positive attitude towards change. Option B, isolated individual adaptation. Option C, knowledge as a competitive advantage. Option D, leadership through enabling others. Correct answer for this question, option B, isolated individual adaptation. Next, a structure of strategic implementation which use dual channel of authority and accountability. Option A, vertical structure. Option B, horizontal structure. Option C, metric structure. Option D, flat structure. Correct answer for this question, option C, metric structure. Next, which one of the following two-tailed test? H0 equal to 100 met, H1 greater than 100 met. H0 equal to 60, H1 less than 60. H0 equal to rupees 400, H1 mu equal to rupees 400. D, none of this. Correct answer for this question, option C, H0 rupees 400, H1 mu equal to 400. Next question. How many ways to letters can be arranged from the first four English alphabets? Option A 6, option B 12, option C 24, option D 48. Correct answer for this question, option B 12. Next question. Big M method in linear programming is used to solve option A, minimization problem, option B, maximization problem, option C, cycling, option D, degeneracy. Correct answer for this question, option A, minimization problem. Next question. How many type of time estimates are used in PERT? Program evaluation review technique. PERT means program evaluation review technique. Option A, 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer for this question, option C 3. Next question. The area between -3 and +3 under standard normal curve is option A 95%, option B 66.66%, option C 100%, option D 99.73%. Correct answer for this question, option D 99.73%. Next question. If relationship between two variables are plotted on two-dimensional graph and a vertical line obtained, then it suggests that correlation between the variable is option A 0, option B positive, option C negative, option D infinity. Correct answer for this question, option A 0. Next question. 5 red ball and 8 black ball were mixed in a bag. Two balls are drawn one at a time with the replacement of first drawn ball. Then what will be the probability that both the balls are red? Option A 10 by 26, option B 10 by 169, option C 25 by 169, option C 5 by 169. Correct answer for this question, option C 25 by 169. Next question. While plotting regression line in a graph paper, dependent variable are shown on x-axis, option B y-axis, option C z-axis, option D none of the above. Correct answer for this question, option B y-axis. Next question. If the sample size are increased, the resultant sampling error, option A, sampling error becomes 0, option B, sampling error increases, option C, sampling error decreases, option D, sampling error remains constant. Correct answer for this question, option C, sampling error decreases. Next question. The major instrument used by commercial bank to comply with the norms of SLR and CRR is option A, money at call, option B, commercial bill, option C, certificate of deposit, option D, commercial paper. Correct answer for this question, Option A, money at call. Next question. Which one of the following terms are closely associated with clearing in banks? Option A, RTGS. Option B, TFHI. Option C, ECF. Option D, NEFT. Correct answer for this question, option C, ECS. Next question. Putting the scanned image of physical check and transmitting it electronically for faster fund transfer is known as option A, e-money. Option B, e-wallet. Option C, electronic fund transfer. Option D, truncation. Correct answer for this question is option D, truncation. Next question. Bundling all product for the purpose of fixing the price or sale promotion by an enterprise is known as option A, tying up. Option B, segmentation. Option C, differentiation. Option D, harmonization. Correct answer for this question, option A, tying up. Next question. Which among the following is generally considered as the fifth P of marketing? Option A, personal selling. Option B, promotion. Option C, packaging. Option B, public relation. Correct answer for this question, option C, packaging. Next question. A set of buyers sharing common need and characteristics that the company decided to serve is option A, market segment. Option B, retail market. Option C, target market. Option D, wholesale market. Correct answer for this question, option C, target market.